Have you ever dreamed of creating a stunning, professional website without touching a single line of code? Well, dream no more, because Hostinger's AI Hub is making that dream a reality. Hostinger AI is not just another website builder. It's a complete, intelligent system designed to build, design, and optimize your entire website in just a few minutes. Here's how it works. You simply tell Hostinger's AI what your business is about. Maybe you're launching an online store, a personal blog, or a digital agency. And the AI instantly gets to work. It automatically creates your site's layout, text, and images, all tailored to your niche and style. That means no more hiring expensive designers or spending days figuring out templates. Hostinger AI handles it all: content, visuals, structure, and even SEO, so you can focus on what really matters: your business. And the best part? Every design is fully responsive. Whether your visitors are browsing on a laptop, a tablet, or their phone, your website always looks perfect. But Hostinger's AI Hub goes even further. Unlike traditional website builders, this tool doesn't stop at design. It's powered by Hostinger's advanced Horizons AI engine, which means it can also create logic-based web applications. Yes, you heard that right. Not just static pages, but functional sites with dynamic features, forms, and even databases, all without a single line of code. Need to add a contact form, a booking section, an interactive product gallery? Just tell the AI, and it builds it for you. Once your site is ready, you can deploy it instantly with one click, directly onto Hostinger's secure and lightning-fast hosting environment. Everything runs seamlessly. No external tools, no messy setup. And for business owners, there's even more. Hostinger AI includes a full e-commerce builder, complete with automated product pages, shopping carts, and checkout systems. It also integrates built-in SEO tools, email marketing, and analytics, so you can track performance, understand your visitors, and grow your brand effortlessly. Essentially, Hostinger AI feels like having your own professional web developer, designer, and marketer, all rolled into one powerful tool. So if you're still struggling to launch your website the old-fashioned way, maybe it's time to ask yourself, are you missing out on Hostinger AI Hub's game-changing features? Because with Hostinger AI, building a website isn't just faster, it's smarter, it's easier, and it's the future of web creation.